Hi, my name is Chef Mark Parmley, and I'm here to show you how to get the freshest Wild Alaskan Seafood delivered to your door. You know what my favorite thing is? Getting this great Alaskan seafood delivered directly to my door via FedEx. No matter where I'm cooking, either Houston, Texas, New York, or North Dakota, it's delivered right here to me overnight. One way is basically the normal thaw or slacking of king crab. So we're taking that ice sheen off of it, allowing it to become to almost a room temperature in cold water, always in cold water. Now, if you're in a hurry and your legs are still frozen and your party needs to be cooked that evening, we can go straight from frozen and cook these legs directly into our boiling pot, which is set here, and I will allow them to steep. We can go back over here, and the rest of these legs that have been slacked out or thawed, we're going to score, which is a matter of splitting these shells lengthwise, and what I always prefer to use is a serrated paring knife. It's an easy way to cut through the shell. My reason I wear a glove is because the spines on these shells are a little hard. Alright, so I'm just sliding into these legs and scoring them with a serrated paring knife, which I find easiest of use to slice through these shells, which are already cooked, by the way. So which means you only have to do a little bit of reheating. So what I like is to bring my pot to a boil, drop my legs right into it, and then turn off the heat. And that's it. I let them sit for approximately 8 minutes, and they will soak up all that flavor, and you're ready to eat. All right, we're at my most favorite point of the king crab, which is eating the king crab. We're ready to plate it. We've got our steeping liquid here, which is just basically a little bit of sugar, water, butter, and I let these already cooked king crabs do the rest. Now our plating this evening will be a linguine, a little clam sauce, green onion, and garlic. All right, with the split king crab. Can't get any better Wild Alaskan seafood than that.